To begin this 5-minute mindful meditation, try to find a comfortable place to sit down and relax your body. Once you are ready, close your eyes and begin to focus your attention to the sensations you can feel in your body. Can you feel the weight of your body on the surface below you? Can you feel the pressure where your body meets objects around you? How does that sensation feel? Breathe deeply and slowly, and focus on the steady, rhythmic sensation as your chest rises and falls. As your mind focuses on any one sensation, allow it to pass with acceptance and without judgment. And bring your mind back to the feeling of your breath and your chest rising and falling with each breath. Feel the tingle of the air on your skin. Rest in this moment, mindful of all sensations, but passing no judgment. Now focus your attention outwards to the sensations in the world around you. If you feel your mind wandering, simply return your focus to your breathing, in and out, in and out. Allow yourself to simply be in this moment, here and now, present, mindful. As you breathe in, feel the sensation of your chest rising. Imagine the air expanding into your body. And as you breathe out, feel your chest lower. Feel the breath leave your body. How does this sensation make you feel? When you're ready, allow your attention to slowly travel back become more aware of the physical sensations in the world around you. Roll your shoulders, stretch out your fingers, wiggle your toes, and hold on to this feeling of mindfulness as you slowly begin to open your eyes. Thank you for practicing mindful meditation with me today. I hope you have a peaceful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, friends.